Welcome back to Repairing Lawnmowers for Profit. 2024 is already here. Cutting season's just about to start, and I've probably just found the easiest way of extracting oil out of a petrol lawnmower that I could find. These little extraction tubes are just 500cc, but in a lawnmower you've got just under half a litre of oil in these generally, so this is just enough to give the kids a treat, as they used to say about fudge. Anyway, this, I'm going to demonstrate this in a minute, but I don't know if you've watched over the years, I've had all these different extractors. I've just used this one the other day. Even that one broke. I've not really used that many times, and for those that have watched for a lot of years, this is a peller or a peeler. I used to call it Marty Peller, if you remember the band Wet Wet Wet. Anyway, this is a 500cc one, and obviously you can't get a lot in here, but just for doing these little mowers, if you've got a little tub, if you put this in here like this and just pull this up like this, watch this. You can see the incredible amount of suction, and all you've got to do is take this off and drop this out into a tub like this, and you can dispose of this at your tip. So I've just changed the oil in this, so obviously I'm going to put this back in here, but hopefully you can see this is enough without having to get to the underside and release the drain plug on the bottom, or mess about trying to connect all these parts up on these massive things and store them. Just get yourself a tub like this, and I'll leave a link in the description below this video to one of these extractors. I think it was about £12 on Amazon, but it does the job. You can see without having to tip it up or over and getting a mess, you can extract it out, put it into a tub. This was over £100. This one, to be fair, was very good for a long time, but it just doesn't work properly anymore. It takes forever, and honestly for £12 I can do the job in about a quarter of the time using this 500cc oil adapter. So I hope everybody's well. I'm out here just servicing my lawnmower in the sunshine. Done the blade, we've done the carb, I've got everything as it should be. If you film my grass, mate, you can probably see, so everybody, sure, I've still got grass. I get lots of comments saying I bet I've got AstroTurf now. I haven't tarmacked over the lot, I'm still here servicing my own lawnmower. So I hope this helps. There's a link in the description to this 500cc suction tube, and I hope it helps you out if you're repairing these for profit. Have a fantastic summer.